Help me out. Help me out with this one. Why is it called carpet if it lays on the floor? Shouldn't it be called floor pet? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that joke's about as good as the start of this year. 2025 has been absolutely f***ed up. It has been a crazy year. Anyone else feeling the stress and the weight of the world? I am. That's why I've been hiding off of all platforms. I just have not been able to get myself to make content. TikTok's been acting weird. I don't love Meta. It's just a weird time. It's a weird time. Very weird. Very uncomfortable. Very anxious. And this video, no one cares to hear me talk about all my anxiety. So let's talk about what we all love. Sneakers. I got an unboxing and I'm loving this shoe and I want to share it. So all my Vans peeps, come to the front of the line, because this one is a must-have if you like your Vans. And you know, around here, we start with the box. We start with the box. Carpet Company and Vans have teamed up again to celebrate the old school's iconic roots. Their latest collaboration, The Oldest School, reimagines the original 1977 Vans Style 36 with modern updates and vintage appeal. This limited edition release combines timeless design with fresh details for a standout look. The shoe features a rich golden yellow suede and faux crocodile upper, a black leather side stripe, and Carpet Company signature C-Star logo embroidered on the heel complete the bold design. Adding its charm, the pre-aged yellowed midsole enhances the retro aesthetic. Co-branded tongue patches give a unique finishing touch. Limited to just 1,977 pairs, each shoe is individually numbered, creating a true collector's item. There it is, the Vans Carpet Collab. Really premium materials. This suede is amazing. This embossed leather, really, really premium. How many shoes, and thank you Sneaker Junkie for pointing this out, I didn't even notice, comes with a little foam piece to keep the heel tab in place. Sock liner's nice. You got the pop cush insoles, so they're super comfy. Just a really well done shoe. Shout out to Carpet and Vans. These are all numbered, so this is number 94 out of 1,977. So they only made less than 2,000, so 1,977 pairs. There was a friends and family. Couldn't hit on those. Go figure. But again, for anyone that with Vans, this is a must-have in your collection. This is a beautifully designed, well-done collab. So there you have it. There's the unboxing of today. These just came in a couple days ago, and I got a fit all together for these. So stay tuned for that. Stay sane, everybody. Stay sane in this insanity. Just stay sane. Do whatever you need to do. And go birds. Go birds. Let's be the disruptor that we need to be. Go birds. Peace, fam.